thing I've noticed about Macedonia, especially here in the capital, Skopje, is they have a lot of statues. There's a statue around every corner. It's kind of beautiful, actually. Hey, what is going on, all you bus nuts, geeks, and enthusiasts out there? Welcome to another episode of Motor Coach World. My name is James, and today I am in Skopje, Macedonia. And we are just about to leave this hotel to head for the Van Hool Motor Coach Production Center. I can't wait to see how Van Hools are built. We just got in last night. What a breathtaking country with so much great scenery. Let's get the day started.
Let's go to the factory, James.
Action! Van Hool up, yep, there's the Van Hool. Oh my god, look at all the buses. There's a lot of them. I see some 35 footers, and the VDL sign is now up. VDL Van Hool. Here, Van Hool. Wow. Take care, man. Slavica, nice to meet you. I'm James. Pleasure.
James, welcome to Van Hool Macedonia.
A Van Hool hat for me. All right. Well, okay. So we must be respectful to Van Hool since we're at Van Hool.
Yeah.
Represent.
My name is Willem van der Leegte. I'm president of the VDL group. I'd like to welcome you all here in Macedonia at our VDL Van Hool facility, 80,000 square meters. We're very proud of building fantastic buses for the US market here, and I hope you enjoy the tour.
Hi, my name is Avram Stojčevski. I'm the managing director, first employee of this plant since 2013. So far produced more than 5,000 units, which is really something that is giving proudness to the people here. And since recently, now we are under VDL Van Hool group, which I think will give us a little bit more impetus than before.
Well, hi, I'm Miel Timmers, head of communication of VDL group, and very proud to have you around and see here our beautiful facility in Macedonia.
Hi, my name is Mark van Noorn. I'm the CEO of VDL Van Hool. I'm very excited what's happening here in Macedonia, and I hope you're excited as well. So please enjoy the tour.
You all know us. This is James. I'm Drew. ABC Peoria Charters, Motor Coach World.
Motor Coach World.
Yeah, we're here to go through the factory, show James the exciting progress under the new ownership of VDL, and hopefully give you all some more perspective on the manufacturing process and all the coaches that you all enjoy and drive in the States. So I hope you enjoy the show.
If I were to go around the world, how many different countries would I see a Van Hool running around in?
In Europe, it's in the US, it's in Japan.
Japan also.
Yeah.
And we also sold in Australia, but in Europe also UK, Ireland.
Wow.
Of course, the bankruptcy of Van Hool is a very sad thing for the people working at Van Hool, but also for customers, suppliers, and other partners. Fortunately, in May, June, we could be able to do the turnover and started working on to get the right parts in and building buses again. We understand that the market was a bit scared. It took some time to do the takeover, but we're ready. You will see it today. Our great partner in the US, ABC, which is also a family-owned company, so our values are very common.
And also good to mention that we hired again in Belgium, in Koningshoort, around 250 employees. producing the parts for the plant here in Macedonia, as well as the spare parts for our end customers.
So for the American user, there's no change at all for them, basically.
No, not at all. Not for the American, not even for the European, because now we see more and more customers are coming back.
We are very diversified as a company, and we are a strong financial party, and we're here to stay. Now that we took over Van Hool, you will not get rid of us.
Oh, wow. This is the threshold. Hi, I'm James. Vancho. Nice to meet you. Dragan. How do you say? Dragan. Nice to meet you. Dimitri.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Dragan's our production manager.
Which one? Who's the production manager? You're the. I like your name, Dragon. You know I'm Chinese. We have dragons everywhere. Vancho. And what do you do?
I'm a head of manufacturing engineer.
Head of manufacturing engineer.
Manufacturing engineer.
Manufacturing engineer. As soon as we walk through that door, the energy, the sounds, you can tell that this is a hustling and bustling place. You can tell that there's a lot going on. There's definitely no idleness happening here. We're gonna actually start the tour where the Van Hool is birthed, right? The first piece of metal starts the bus. Warehouse manager? Supervisor, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Igor.
Igor, nice to meet you. I'm James. Pleasure. How long have you been with Van Hool?
Since the start, 2013.
Oh, okay, so you helped open this place.
Yes.
Everything that goes into what a Van Hool is on these racks. Is that fair to say? Wow, so if I ran around all day today, I could pick out every piece and plug together a Van Hool. Oh yes, we need to be safe. Yes. Safety officer, nice to meet you. And what's your name?
Sasha.
Sasha.
Sasha, yes.
Sasho?
Sasha, yes.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you, Sasha. Right off the bat, you can see that Van Hool's factory is very organized. They are very safety conscious. Safety officer had us put safety glasses on. We got to see where all the parts get assembled and put on carts. And now we're moving to the beginning of the assembly line after witnessing all the parts and pieces that are going to flow this direction to get the vehicle started. What's your name?
Stavre.
Sabre?
Stavre.
Stavre.
Yes.
Stavre. And what do you do here?
We're producing all metal parts here. Super assembly, side frame, roof, floor, front, rear.
Nice. And how long have you worked for Van Hool?
5 years. For every bus, for which assembly we have job order here, and every worker keep job order and continue working on the.
So they have a job order number and they produce
Yes.
the parts based on the number.
Do the logistic delivery here parts and return to the back to the logistic. After that, delivery to the line.
Nice.
On the right side is the sub-assembly, on the left side is the main line where they deliver. For example, this is welded in the sub-assembly and it's delivered here, main line.
Oh, you even have the engine already marked, like Cummins. So does the engine change the way the frame is built?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, supports and everything for the tail
Wow.
module.
So the frame is built to be engine specific.
Yes.
Ah, okay. That's
in this
very
step, everything is defined for the customer. There is a product description and everything is defined in this step. So when we are starting, we know for which bin we are making the vehicle.
Ah, got it.
They will rotate the chassis so they can weld if something's underneath, so it will be reachable to weld it.
Ah, so the whole frame is going to get turned upside down. They just turned the whole bus upside down so they can weld. And this is a full-length chassis that's already been built for a Van Hool CX45. How do you say your name?
Mickey.
Mickey.
Mickey, yes. I'm here 12 years.
12 years?
Yes, supervisor on the chassis and body frame.
Chassis and body frame.
Yes.
Very nice, very nice. Oh, is this a double decker?
Yes.
So the roof and the side frames are being assembled here.
Also front, rear.
Oh, so all the parts get kind of put together. So right here is where they assemble the European double deckers. And as you can see behind me, he is taking the entire roof frame and he is about to maneuver it using the crane up there onto this already mostly built chassis cage. And we have the luxury of watching this happen. Check that out. That whole apparatus is being moved by the giant crane that's above me, and it's about to be attached to the chassis. Yeah, this looks familiar. So behind me what we have is a CX45 Van Hool being constructed for the US. And this one, the frame is just about done. You see the roof piece has been attached. The guys are welding together the joints. And what happens from this point? Where does this frame go after this?
In painting department, chassis painting, it's anti-corrosion protection.
And what is it stainless steel?
Yes, it's completely
All
stainless
stainless
steel.
steel.
Yeah.
Wow.
The complete chassis is stainless.
No rust. Okay, so we're gonna move on and see what happens after this portion.
I am supervisor from that position. Now he prepared the vehicle for anti-corrosion protection.
Ah, and what's your name?
I'm Velibor Mojsovski, supervisor from painting system.
Velibor?
Velibor Mojsovski.
Velibor Mojsovski.
Da.
Did I say it right?
Yes.
Oh, говорю по-русски?
No, Macedonia.
Oh, Macedonia. It's similar
It's
almost.
similar, the language is similar. Yes.
What kind of paint is being
This is the first operation, applying the one component anti-corrosion primer.
primer?
In that moment is applying the gray primer and we need half hour for drying. After that we'll be applying with the black color chassis lac, that's his name.
Oh, so 2 layers.
Yes, 2
Wow,
layers.
okay.
Yes.
And this is already on top of a stainless steel frame.
Yes.
So the chances of corrosion is very minimal.
Yes.
Wow.
The top of the protection is black.
Okay.
Black tubes, black position, which is very important to good protection.
Hello, how are you? Thank you.
Chassis assembly.
Chassis assembly.
Chassis assembly.
We start, first steps are with pneumatics component. They install the pneumatic hoses and everything. They install insulation. Depend on the type of the vehicle, we use different installations. They install the installation here. They also add the heating pipes and stuff like that. So every step here is dependable. Over there you can see they install axles, they install engine and everything.
So it's one step after another as we move forward.
Yes.
The coach becomes closer and closer to completion.
Correct.
As you can see, all the wires are now in.
The insulation is also
insulation, yeah.
Cello,
Oil
filter.
Wow.
So everything's installed here.
And the same thing is being done. What's going on? Oh, that's the heating pipes.
Yes, that's a heating pipe.
So they're almost finished with this one as far as the chassis setup.
Yes, as you can see over there, they could install the chassis heating pipes, but here they install the roof heating pipes.
Ah, okay. Wow, I recognize that engine. So right here, they're about to shove a Cummins CX12 into this Van Hool CX45.
We received the engine from Cummins, gearbox for Allison, and we connect them together. So that's done in the pre-assembly, and later on with this troller is bring to the main line, so they can install in the vehicle.
Okay.
So we also use ZF gearbox.
ZF.
Yeah.
Yep.
ZF. We also
ZF.
use DAF engine.
Oh, Van Hools can come with DAF engines?
Yes.
For European. market.
Mainly for Europe.
Yeah, not for the US though.
Not for
okay,
the US.
Okay.
For the US, we use Cummins. Before we used diesel Detroit, but now we use Cummins. Okay.
Duff engines,
We have Cummins.
Allison transmissions.
Yes.
And these are pre-assembled. You have a Cummins engine already attached to an Allison transmission.
You can CX45 and CX35. You can see the difference. It's a smaller one because CX35 is 2-axle vehicle.
So this one's for the 35 footer, which is for has a L9, Cummins L9.
Yes.
And this one's for the CX45. It's a Cummins X12. And that's the alternator. Alternator. Yeah, how many alternators? Two. Yep. Okay. Very nice. Dude, this is incredible.
Enjoying it?
Man.
Yeah, learning a little bit?
I'm learning a lot. It's nice to see how these things are put together.
Kranislav.
Kranislav. Sloveni. Supervisor of frames. How long have you worked for
bodywork?
Bodywork.
From the very beginning. From the start factory here. One of the first employees here.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, you're a veteran. And how many buses go through your section every day?
4, 2, 3. Everything depends on the line. Because we cannot push more vehicles than we receive.
Right. Right. Okay. Very nice. Thank you. Oh, this is a European.
Yes,
T-model. Oh, and it's on the right side. The steering wheel's on the right. Also your department?
Yeah, I'm responsible for painting system.
You're an important man.
Yeah.
Very important.
Very important. This is the first step of painting system. Prepare the vehicle for painting, applying the film. This is the first step. Detection all the damages on the vehicle. We must to solve with the putty, sanding, and the protection, etc.
Okay. So getting ready to be painted. Man, there's so many units being produced.
That's right.
These are all paint booths. Wow, and you got more here. How many paint booths? There is so many paint booths here, and right now they're opening up a couple to show us some of the Van Hools that are being painted, and these are black.
This is black. Outside is finished with clear coat in the base coat. Second step is painting the tubes and top of the vehicle.
Okay. Right here, Dimitri has just opened the door to the finishing department.
So this is also we installed the windows, we installed the seats, we installed the monolith, the wooden plates, everything that you see in the bus when you're in the bus. This is where it's installed.
There's a lot of speculations right now that Van Hool's production is slowed or stopped, but that's not what we're seeing.
Now we've seen a lot of dynamics, James, I think, in the factory. A lot of co-workers doing really great jobs, I think. And it's really busy and a lot of buses built on, so yeah.
There's so much energy.
It is, yeah, I can also feel that. So
everyone that I've asked how long they've been here, almost all of them have said, I've been here since the beginning.
Since the beginning,
so the turnover is very low here.
Very low. So they like to work here then, I think, right?
Yeah. Man,
we can
that's a good sign.
That. It's a good sign, of course.
It's a sign of a healthy company.
Yeah.
Finishing supervisor. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Jovan.
Jovan.
Yes.
And how long have you been here?
12 years.
Let me guess, since the beginning.
Since the beginning, yes. Yes.
So you're kind of the white glove.
Yes.
Man, you make sure that when these things roll out, that they're ready for the customer.
Yes. Together with my team, yes.
Your team. Yeah. How big is your team?
We are 250 people in general. Wow. I have assistant under me and also 4 positions for foremen that are making sure this to work as it should be.
Teamwork.
Yes.
You can't do it all by yourself.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you.
Beautiful. Each one of these coaches are working on the finishing products until we get to this one, and this one is really close to being finished. As you can see, yeah, the lights are in, the windshield's in, and I mean, this one is basically almost ready to go. And this one is being completed by team leader Tony Waldewski, number 1954.
Give him a call.
Yeah, can I borrow your phone? I want to tell him good job. Wood department, hi, how are you? Oh, is this where the parcel racks are made?
Yes.
So how much of a Van Hool is made of wood?
Some parts of the toilet, the parcel racks are made from wood, and cupboards. The ceiling is special compound. It's not wood, but it.
And the floor, the deck.
And the deck also.
Yeah,
yes.
Yeah, that's pretty standard. Yeah. Really nice to see how the everyday mundane stuff is put together by these engineers. Hi, how are you? Very impressive. And these are made of wood, and it's covered with upholstery, leather. Very nice. Isri. You guys build Isri seats here?
No, we're receiving from the history and we just upholster it around.
Oh, I understand.
You will see the seats over there on the left side.
Okay, okay.
Coming like
Isri ships a seat like this, and then you guys put the upholstery on it.
That's the seat department where the seats are here, and later on with the car they are installed in the bus. They are
Okay.
delivered to the bus, lifted up and installed in the bus.
And what brand of seats are these?
FKT.
FKT.
Yeah, that's
FKT.
Keel.
Keel seats, right.
Keel seats,
A
yeah.
lot of people have asked me questions about the Keel seats. Yeah, okay. And you guys order them from Keel?
Yes.
And then they come in and you install them?
Yes.
Okay. How many coaches, how many Van Hools can this factory push out?
Well, James, the maximum capacity is about 1,000 single decks a year.
1,000 single decks a year?
Yeah, that's a max on one shift.
On one shift?
Yeah, that's the
Holy.
maximum capacity.
That's quite an impressive number.
Yeah.
1,000 a year in this factory.
Yeah, that's true.
Wow.
Don't fall in here.
Yep. Neil's trying to keep me safe. He's taking care of me. Here we are in Macedonia, where a Van Hool CX45 is completed, and they're putting some plates on it. All these guys are running around getting it ready for me to take it out for a test drive.
You're looking for a driver.
Oh, I think I can help you out with that.
Let's go.
Okay.
I will be your passenger.
Oh man, the pressure's on.
Yeah.
I have the president of VDL on board. That's pressure right there. Well, I got all the engineers and...
Yeah, you have the quality engineer now on board.
Man, this is one prestigious trip.
Just don't mess this up.
Yeah, this is pressure. Pressure's on. Good? Okay, all right. Drive, we're in drive gear. Release, here we go.
Punch it.
Very smooth. Yeah. Okay, is there a speed limit here?
Nope.
Man, fresh out of the box Van Hool. To the gate?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going out? Okay, good. Left or right?
Left.
Left, okay. I hope not.
Put straight on then.
Yeah, looks like somebody already had it.
Straight? All right. Wow. Is there a stop sign up here?
No.
Speed limit, no. Speed limit is 30. Yeah, downshift.
Feel the key down, huh?
Yep, down kick. Wow, what a beautiful scenery. Man, very mountainous.
How do you like so far?
Oh, it's very smooth. I don't think I've ever driven a Van Hool right out of the box. It's like a Christmas gift. Open the package.
Yeah.
That's a very expensive smell.
Yeah.
The new bus smell. It's a good smell. I got to test drive 3 different Van Hool models during my visit to the Van Hool factory in Macedonia that day. The Van Hool CX45, which was very familiar to me, as Peoria Charter, my bus company, currently operates several of them as part of our fleet. Willem, what do you think of my driving?
Very good. You did the pre-delivery inspection
Thank you so much. That's an awesome compliment.
We can hire you.
Okay. I have job security.
Then I got to test a new model I had never seen before. Made for the European market, the Van Hool 2-axle T16 Alicron. This one was a right-hand drive.
Right-hand drive.
So let's see your skills.
Okay. Ireland. So this is going to Ireland.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Everything's reversed. Oh, it's got the electronic mirror. Very different.
Yeah.
So the transmission on this T model is here. Drive, neutral, reverse.
It's a tough engine, MX-11,
Duff engine, MX-11.
with the Allison gearbox.
Allison gearbox. Man, I have never driven this before. Door switch on the, oh, right, door 1. And then door 2's already closed. Yeah, door 2's closed. Good. All right, here we go.
And then finally, another Van Hool coach that I was very familiar with as well. Similar to the all-electric double-decker coach that ABC let me drive across the country a few years ago. This one was the diesel European variant, the Van Hool TDX 27.
All that driving and nobody tipped me.
That was fine. No.
No tips.
Didn't tip you. I'll tip you for lunch.
Okay. Thanks for your time. Good buses. Oh, this one's my favorite.
Yeah, the second one, right?
This is my favorite. It's the smoothest.
No, it's that one over there.
I love the headlights.
Yeah, nice.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, nice bus.
Yeah.
I never visited the Van Hool plant in Macedonia when it was under the ownership of the Van Hool family, nor have I ever met the Van Hools themselves. This was my first time seeing this factory, under the ownership of VDL, under the care of the Van der Lichte family. So I can't really compare how things were in the past and how things are now. But this trip wasn't really about comparing the two owners of Van Hool. It was more about seeing what Van Hool is today and what Van Hool's future looked like from the eyes of a bus nut, geek, and enthusiast. And also as a customer and an owner of Peoria Charter, with 30% of our fleet comprised of Van Hools. And from what I've seen during my trip to Eindhoven, Netherlands, at the headquarters of VDL, and then to Skopje, Macedonia, at the Van Hool factory itself, Van Hool's future looks bright with VDL at the helm. The employees seem happy, the management seem to care about their welfare, and there seems to be a rich and deeply rooted culture of loyalty and dedication from all the managers that have been here from the start. I left Macedonia with a new understanding of what went into building one of these coaches that I've spent thousands of miles behind the wheel of. The faces of the people that were involved in keeping the wheels rolling for the drivers like me, and the passengers that I carry throughout the day and into the night. I can't wait to see what the future holds for VDL Van Hool and ABC companies. Strength through cooperation.
Alone you cannot do anything, so you have to work together.
And Willem, you're third generation for VDL? You're the third generation.
We will beat the statistics.
Awesome.
I would say you already have.
Yeah.